We need to solve this. These are the kind of question we just close your eyes and give the answer. But for the sake of absolute beginners, let's explain. The first one, okay? Number one. As you can see in this place, the base are the same. So this and this are definitely equal. Therefore, just write it. Okay? Because if the base are equal, definitely these are equal. We move this to the left-hand side. What is here is plus. If minus is here, we must put it. But because there is nothing here, behind the scene there's plus. So when he's crossing to this side to join his friend, because all the edge should go to what side? Agree with me. In some schools, girls will go to what side? Okay? The boys will also go to one side. Depends on the country. So that is the way this operates. To have S, this guy should join X. Why is crossing this equal to becomes minus this? This guy without S should go and join his friend. Why is crossing this plus becomes minus? Okay? This and this will give us 2x. That is like 7 boys minus 5 boys. Equal to, this is 6. We want S to remain alone. For S to remain alone here, we divide this by 2. Because we divide this side by 2, this side is also saying, what about me? We must also divide this side by 2 too. So that what? We balance the equation. If you give one child something, give the same thing to the other child. There should not be any bias or partiality. So this and this we cancel. This here 1, this here 3. So S therefore is equals to 3. Okay? Now, this one. I want to wipe here. If you want to review this, simply pause the video and go back. You can easily see what I just erased. Now let's solve this. The same thing. The base are the same. Okay? So therefore, it means this is equal to this. So this now is equal to 14. We expand this. This means this multiplied by this because there's multiply in between this. Bracket represent what? Multiplication. I've explained this several times. So this multiplied by this first. This multiplied by this. That is this and this will give us x squared. This and this will give us plus 3x. This and this will give us minus 2x. This multiplied by this will give us minus 6 equal to 14. You agree with me that this is x squared? This one has only one x. One x. So they are friends. This one has 2. They are not friends. We cannot join them together. This and this will give us x. That is 3s minus 2s will give us s. Minus 6. We move this to this side. Minus 14 equals to 0. Why? I want this guy to come and join his friend without any x. So therefore, s squared plus x. This and this will give us minus 20 equal to 0. This is now quadratic equation. If you solve this quadratic equation, you agree with me, this is the way to solve it. Because this class is not quadratic equation, I don't want to explain this too much. I assume you understand this. Okay? So therefore, you agree with me, we have all these. Therefore, s minus 4 is equal to 0 or s plus 5 equals to 0. S therefore is equal to 4 or s equals to minus 5. This is the answer, okay? Oh, let me write this well.